Fixing the System I/O Ports Library. DLL pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. Before we dive into the System I/O Ports Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the System I/O Ports Library, a critical system library for the modern .NET runtime. It provides the foundational implementation for communicating with serial COM ports. If missing, specialized hardware control software or engineering tools will fail to detect connected hardware, citing a SerialPort module load failure. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. I found that reinstalling Microsoft.NET is the most consistent way to clear this error. Download the official Visual C++ installers for x86 and x64 from Microsoft and run them to refresh the library. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with System I/O Ports Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. If you're attempting to register System I/O Ports Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing System I/O Ports library-related system data. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for System I/O Ports Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.